Now, the first side hustle that I'm going to talk about, right? If you need to make money tomorrow, this week, this month, definitely this one is for you. And that is freelancing. Side hustle number one is freelancing. Now, there are plenty of, freelancing marketplaces such as Fiverr and Upwork. These are the biggest two that you can look at for freelancing work, right? Now, on Fiverr, you create a gig, you name your price, and prospective clients see you on the platform. They reach out to you, and you can service them. Now, it helps when you are going to freelance with a particular skill. That skill might be video editing, it might be WordPress web development, or just web development in general. It might be graphic design. It helps when you have a particular skill on these freelancing platforms. But let me just give you 3 that you can start off with without any work experience and make money for yourselves. The first skill set that you can try and freelance on, if you know how to post on social media. Companies will pay you for that, especially small businesses. I'd suggest that before you join a platform like Fiverr or a platform like Upwork, that you get some experience on your belt. Go to local businesses and serve them. You might even do it for free, just to have that experience of your back. I'm a big fan of serving and working for free sometimes. I gained a whole lot of experience serving, giving away my skills for free in our church, and I learned so much. I spent something like 7 years, and right after that I just started my business because I had all the required skill sets. And so sometimes working for free, especially when you're starting out, is going to be helpful and beneficial for you. Companies, they want to see some proof that you can do what you claim you say you can. So the best way for you to do that is to do some work for free here and there, just to get that experience of your back and to build relationships as well. Now, if you can post on social media and go to local companies, they might even pay you. And I'm talking from experience. There's a client that we landed, right? They had no social media presence whatsoever, and so we are now handling their social media accounts. COVID came and disrupted our plans, but we are planning on continuing with that relationship. But you don't want to go to companies and say, I'm just going to post for you on Facebook or on Instagram, right? Think of it as solving a problem. What problem are you solving for these businesses, right? If you know that you are solving a problem for them, they're going to pay you, because that's how you're going to present your services. You might say something like, I noticed that you guys are not on social media. Were you aware that just on YouTube alone, they have 2 billion unique visitors per month? How would getting 10,000 of those users to your business benefit you? If you present your case like that, you are solving a problem for them. You're not just posting for them on social media. So that's the mindset that you must have. You are solving a specific problem for businesses. When you go to companies or small businesses with that approach, I guarantee you they will pay you. Now, you'll manage the social media. You might have to write the articles and things of that nature. But if you know how to post on social media, that's one aspect, that's one job that you can freelance at. Businesses will gladly pay you because they want to focus on things that bring them immediate value in their businesses. And posting on social media is definitely not one of their priorities. So you can capitalize on that and start posting for them. Now, if you are someone who is organized and know what needs to be done when, you could be a virtual assistant. That's the second option that you can try out if you have no experience at anything, right? If you are someone who's organized, unlike me, right, you can help some people organize their lives online. Could be business people. There are a lot of people who will pay you, right, just to answer their fan mail, to post for them on social media. You sort of become like an online secretary for them. So if you someone know that you're organized, you can definitely try that out, and businesses will pay for you. You can go to Fiverr or Upwork and list your services, and people will come flocking in if you are someone who's organized, right? But it does help if you have some experience or a testimonial of someone who can vouch for you. So you can as well go to local businesses and handle the secretarial stuff and ask for a testimonial maybe after a month of working with them, and take that experience online and start making money for yourself. Now, the third one that you can try if you have no experience whatsoever is transcribing. Gone are the days where in business meetings, people write stuff down. We've got these nowadays, right? So I just take my phone, I hit record, I have the whole conversation of the meeting, and then businesses will take that information and will want someone to transcribe it for them. So you can be a transcriber and you can list your services on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. These are the two main freelancing sites. So you can take your services to those platforms, transcribe, and get paid. So social media management, transcribing, and being a virtual assistant. I've just given you 3 that you can start off with today. But freelancing, that's the first side hustle. If you need money tomorrow, this week, this month, definitely this one is for you.